Well, I'm here to look at this bathroom right here. Turn the light on. It's a pretty nice bathroom. It's got a shower. There's a little grout work right over there. I'm gonna put a new light in that. Let's see if there's a bunch of stuff. This is all cleared out, which is nice. Let's see, that's all cleared out. And they got all this cleared out. And there's me. I just want to test the strength of that tile. It's pretty strong. Shut-off valves. Some quarter-turn valves. They're nice. They put this all together once you can see the burn marks and some solder down there. I wanted to take these valves off and pull this out. I'm gonna have to cut this because this is hooked to, the water is hooked up with a baseboard heating system, and I don't know, I haven't dealt with that yet. I'm sure it's fairly straightforward, but we're pulling this cabinet out. Situation. The main is right down in here. This is all, it's all connected into this. I haven't dealt with this before, so I'm gonna have to work around it. I'm not shutting that off. I don't know if I have to bleed it or whatever. I'm sure somebody out there knows, and I could figure it out, but I don't have time. Let's give it a little Sawzall love right there. Pull this thing out of here if we can. Trim holding me up down there. Holds right out now. Behind here, we take all this tile out. We're going to take this cabinet out next. It's only held in by a few screws mounted on the wall. The project started because we're replacing the mirror. We're putting an old medicine cabinet from the 1940s that I'm restoring right now. That's going in, and we're redoing the whole place. I got to pull this one off, and I know it's glued onto there. Could just end up breaking it all. I don't know. I'm gonna try not to. Dude, I have a long, thin knife. I'm gonna go grab that. I got it moving a little bit. It's a lot of glue right in the center there. I'll get some stuff to pull this toilet too. Make sure you drain. There was still some water in the back here. I'm gonna drain all that out as much as possible. And you could shop vac this out, but mine's set up for dry right now. Putty knife underneath these and pop them off, and we'll have to undo those. Got one on each side. 3 bolts on. No, we got 3 bolts back here for the tank. There's another one over here. We're gonna pull those. One of these, you don't want to crank these down too much because you can break this porcelain here. I'm taking the tank off because it's just me working in here, and it's a lot easier to move this around. Otherwise, with 2 guys, you just pull those and take the whole thing out. Put it on. It'll be good. I'll take it outside. There's still water in the toilet. I want to plunge this out as much as possible, or shop vac it out. Remove these nuts on those bolts. People usually caulk around the bottom of this, so go ahead and drag a razor around. Try not to chip it. We are reusing this, I believe. Unless they want to go with something a little smaller. we're gonna try to make more room in this bathroom. 'Cause it's a small one. Back and forth, and there we go. Toilet's out. I'm not gonna deal with this wax ring right now. I'm just gonna stuff this in here. That's it. Let's pull the rest of this tile. Small compressor in here. It's called by California Air Tools. It's like one of the quietest compressors I've ever had. This is nice when, you know, if there's other people around, or even for yourself, if you're not damaging your ears. We're using this air hammer. So I'm working my way over into here. We're going to pull this metal off of the spaceport heat. These end panels come off. And I'm going to, I think I need to take that off. Maybe not. I might not have to, but I might paint this anyways. Just take the metal out to the shop and we'll paint it. Almost done here. I've got a contractor bag, which I filled up a little too much. I'm gonna have to empty it because it's too heavy. Shop vac, compressor, rosin paper down, just so you want to keep the job site clean, especially with this tile work stuff, because lots of little shards get all over, and you can see we have a wood floor right here. I don't want to scratch. And now we go for the shower door. What we do is take a cut into the caulk around it, all the way around and on the inside. Take this top rail off, pull these screws, take out all the screws. This door comes off. I can see there's an anchor inside of this channel, and there's probably one over here too. Only 2 screws, comes right off. We've got this channel, we've got screws in here. Let's pull those out. I'm going to save them all too, just for the other people who might need this. And there we go. So that seal with that ridge on it was really, really tight. I got it off without wrecking it. I can pull this glass out and get to these other ones. Flat bar and pull this right out of the tile. This glass is in there real nice, so I'm trying to keep it that way. But no, it will have to come apart to install. I'm going to leave this video off at. We've got the main part of the bathroom done. Going into the shower now. And I will have to get a grinding system with a vacuum hookup for this. And I just hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Until next time, keep surviving. Later.